Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Well, yes, it is almost July, and yes, it has been raining like it's more like February or March outside. Many locations, including here across parts of the southern Willamette Valley, have picked up about an inch of rain over the past 36 hours. There's more coming down in some spots, and get this, we've got a whole nother wave of rain coming at us as we head in towards early Friday morning. So not out of the woods just yet, and there are many spots that have really got walloped pretty hard last night. Up around Portland, we saw about 2 inches of rain up across the Highway 26, 217 interchange, which is near one of the shopping complexes up there. They had the overpass, or just underneath the bridge, completely underwater. Had a couple of rescues that they had to get folks that were stuck in their cars. Meanwhile, we saw about an inch of rain across portions of downtown Eugene. Officially about 3/4 of an inch, about 0.75 out to the airport. I'll have the totals here coming up that we've put together in just a second. And again, the 2 inches that was reported in Corvallis. National Weather Service last night had noticed that some of the other spots that are right around the airport there had reported about 1/2 inch of rain. They had a pretty good thunderstorm cell move overhead. I'm a little suspect of that right now, as that station could be a little twitchy, but as you can tell, everybody seeing a lot of rain for this time of year when we generally start to really get into that dry pattern. That won't be the case, at least if the short term, next 24 hours. Right now, we're sitting in the mid-60s out into central Oregon, 68 in Corvallis, 71 in Eugene, 65 in Cottage Grove, 72 down in Roseburg, a muggy 63 out of Newport, and it is going to stay very muggy throughout the rest of the night tonight. Now, I do expect to see a bit of a break, but look, here comes the next wave after midnight in through the early morning hours. There's that next cold front sliding on through. That one also will generate more scattered showers as we get some breaks in the clouds by tomorrow afternoon. So I think it'll look very similar to what we saw today, and probably even a little more widespread than some of the more hit or miss heavier pockets that we've seen through some of this afternoon. Overnight tonight, we'll keep the temperatures very mild, kind of a sticky air mass too, with the temperatures only falling into the mid-50s. There's the low generating all this, an occluded front basically with a warm and cold front collapsing on each other. The warm front approaching now, cold front will sweep through tomorrow morning, and we have a nice ridge of high pressure that will eventually put an end to all of this wet weather, but I don't expect to see that until we get into the latter half of the weekend and into next week. So next front coming early tomorrow. We'll see some on and off showers through Friday night, and then eventually by Saturday afternoon into Sunday. That's when we slowly start to clear things out, and then summertime is back quickly as we'll heat up fast early next week. So more rain, mostly cloudy skies, low to mid-60s for the coast tomorrow. The Umpqua will see some scattered showers at times, mostly cloudy as well into the low 70s. Cascades likely looking at a possibility of an isolated thunderstorm with more showers pushing through into the 50s, upper 60s, and partly sunny skies with some morning showers mainly across the Cascades and up into central Oregon, and we'll see on and off showers throughout the day, mostly cloudy and around 70. So very similar to what we saw today. For the coast, that'll mean temperatures will slowly get back into the mid-60s and sunshine. And the Umpqua will see, how about this, low 70s to upper 80s and sunny by next Monday and Tuesday. In the Cascades, that'll go from showers in 50s to mid-70s and sunny by next Monday and Tuesday. And here in the Willamette Valley, cool, pretty unsettled, guys, tomorrow, back into the low 80s, mid-80s by next Monday and Tuesday. But early indications are things are going to kind of break down again as we head in towards 4th of July.
Ooh, okay.
Just saying. We'll watch it real close.
A bit nervous now. Thank you, Justin.
You bet.